Hello, how would you like to receive a $50 service for disinfecting and sanitizing your vehicle with our new technology right here, and it would only be $10 contribution? At Environmental Automotive and Severna Park Auto Body, every year we look for a way to give back to the community. And this year we have decided that we want to give back the $10 donation to the Orphan Grain Train fundraiser. So I'm going to introduce you to Trey and Travis Colburn, who are going to explain how it works.
Okay, Travis.
Yeah, so we're trying to get 5,000 of these Lucy Lights by the end of the year, and they only cost $10 each, and they come with this free service. So please, I hope you guys can get that done for us. And if you need any more information, please visit www.ogt.org/Maryland.
Thank you, Travis. So for more information, you can visit our Facebook page, where we have a link set up also that'll give you more information. And to schedule a service, just give us a call, 410-987-5546. We certainly hope that you can help Travis and Trey in this great fundraiser. Thank you very much.